Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collective haul from September through November. I'm still waiting for a few things to come in, but here's the majority of the things I've gotten over the last 3 months, so let's just get started. Let's move my pen. I have this Vince Camuto Caprice set that I got at Ross. It was $19.99, so that's a good deal. Then I got this at TJMaxx, the MAC Risk Taker. Let me show you the inside. Okay, so this is the inside of the Risk Taker palette. Really cute. Happy to get that. Okay, next from Ross, I'm sorry for the glare. It's the Profusion Rose Gold Look palette. I've always been curious about the Profusion palettes since they've been getting so popular lately. I'm just wondering what the fuss is about. So I got this one. Let me open it for you. Okay, there's not much glare, but comes with 2 highlighters and a blush and 12 shadows. So these are really pretty. My lighting doesn't really do them justice, but it is what it is. It's really cute, so. Next, I got these cute little fuzzy socks. This one is a sloth, and these are unicorns. So those will be cute for the winter. Then I got those at Ross. They were $3.99. Then I got these from TJMaxx. I got the Unicorn Tears unicorn horn and unicorn tears. I'm sure you guys have seen that. And the Mermaid Tears lipstick. That was $6.99 and the highlighter was $9.99. And I got the Mystical Bronzer. Let me show you that. Hold on. Okay, here's the packaging on the highlighter. Hold on, I'm going to turn on another light. Okay. Here's has a unicorn on it. There's what it looks like. Looks like a unicorn horn. Here's the packaging of the Mermaid Tears. Just a lip gloss or lip topper. Really pretty. Then the Unicorn Tears packaging. Hold on a second, let me open it for you. There's the bronzer and the mystical highlighter in the middle of the shape of a unicorn, so that's really cute. That was $12.99. Let's get into, I ordered the Now and Forever from Pretties for Your Face. It's based on Jack and Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. There's the colors there. They're so pretty. I really like that purple. It's really pretty. Okay, this brush and another brush and a back scrubby. They have interchangeable heads. The back scrubby brush is in my shower. So is the pumice stone that they sent along too. These are interchangeable heads. This is for your feet. It has little buffer things in the middle. These are really soft brushes. Usually I don't like brushes like this because they can just be too harsh, but these are just really soft. And you don't have to have it on the head. You have this little hand thing here. You can use it on your body or your feet. You don't have to have it on the handle, but you can if you want to. These are really nice. I got these sent to me for a review, and so far I'm really liking these. So I'll have the link listed down below if you're interested in checking it out or anything. So that's for that one. I can't remember the name of the company, but I'll have the link listed below. Those are nice. Okay, next is from Balsamic Cosmetics. I saw these in Aiden's video as well, but she shared the coupon code for getting both of these for $10 each, so I got them as well because I've been kind of wanting them for a while. So When they were $10, I scooped them up. I couldn't resist. This is the Keep Singing palette. There she is. And then the I'm Wishing palette. They're just so pretty. They did such a good job on these. And I can't wait to play with them, so. Okay, next is the ColourPop All I See Is Magic. This was through an Ipsy deal. I think it was, I want to say $20 or something like that. They have a similar deal up on Ipsy right now with a, I think, a different palette. One that I already have, but, oh, you butthead. Open. There's what it looks like on the inside. This was their holiday palette from last year, which I didn't get, and when I saw this on the Ipsy deal, I had to have it, so really excited for that. So, and I got a couple things at Walmart. This is the Wild Spirit Discovery set. It has 4 mini perfumes. They're all they all contain natural essential oils. These are from the company Raw Spirit, but they make stuff exclusively for Walmart through their Wild Spirit line. The they include all 4 of their scents in this collection. First one from left to right is Spring Jasmine, then Driftwood, First Snow, and Chill. And from what I've smelled, I have opened this box up just to smell them. I really like all of them, but my favorite is Driftwood, the blue one here. And I've seen the sets at Walmart where you can get like the individual scents with like lotion and scent bracelets, like the essential oil bracelets for like, I think they're like $20, so that's a pretty good deal. I think they sell this set was $20 just to try all 4 of them. Because I think the full-size bottles are like, I want to say $30 each. So this is a good deal, trying all of them. So, and I've seen Profusion is starting to sell at Walmart now. And they had a whole display of their palettes. And the one that really interested me the most was the shimmers. Because throughout all of the other palettes, they have a lot of the same colors. Except for this one didn't have as many repeats as the others did. So I can't wait to really play with this one either. I might throw this in one of my Love or Lose It challenges. So, and the last thing I got at Walmart was the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Peach. Oops. Yeah, Molten Peach. So, can't wait to try this out. It's really pretty. And I got some stuff at Ulta. This is the Essence Spice Up Your Life palette. Really pretty shadows. Very fall. Can't wait to play with this one. I found this in their clearance section. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Paradise Desert in a collaboration with a girl's channel called The Fashion Freak. No idea who she is, but their palette looked really neat. They had another one with a guy. I didn't really like the colors in his palette. They were just boring. Hers I liked. I have no idea who she is, but the colors are really pretty and I can't wait to play with it. I found this in their clearance section as well. This is the Makeup Revolution Midnight Unicorn. It's a palette that they put out during Halloween. So I got this for like $3. So it's really pretty. I was wanting this one. This was from last year's Halloween. So this was really cool. I found it. So then I have the NYX Machinist eyeshadow. This is the Grind palette. I really like their steampunk type packaging. I really enjoy like steampunk stories. If you're not familiar what steampunk is, it is like stories or shows set in a Victorian setting but have kind of modern age gadgets or machines. So, yeah. I don't really know how to really explain it except for that. They have like modern but yet old world like tech, and it's set in the Victorian era. So, yeah. So I like that they inspired a palette with the steampunk. Yeah. There's what the inside looks like. It's really pretty. Out of the 3 that they had, this one I liked better because it was just so different, not something I really had much of. So, yeah. Next I have the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. I was really wanting this one, and I'm glad I found it. They had a huge display when I went in store. I want to say last month. Yeah, it was in October. That's when I found the Midnight Unicorn palettes when I went in store. Let me open it for you. I just think the colors are just so pretty. I really like this green. And I like Honor and Princess. They're all pretty. What am I saying? They're all pretty. Imperial's pretty too, this one here. They're all just so pretty. Can't wait to play. Next I have the Too Faced Sugar Cookie palette. Out of all of their holiday releases, this one is the one that I was really interested in, and I'm so glad that I got it. Let me show you. Isn't it just so cute? It is just so adorable. And I can smell the smell from here. It smells like fresh baked sugar cookies, so really strong vanilla scent, even through my sinus issues today. Really, really cute. Really happy with that. And this is the Beauty Bakery Game of Cones, based on the Game of Thrones. I like all of these colors, and I love the names of them. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, you'll get a lot of the names. So I like this green Snow Queen, and I like the Iron Cone. I think Cakeless Mint is funny. Beats Landing is purple. I like Wild Things. And the whole palette is just really pretty and really well thought out, I think. Okay, so that is it for my collective haul from September and October, and a little bit from this month. Not really much from this month, just the stuff from Walmart, really, from this month. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you'd like to see any swatch videos or get ready with me from the palettes that I showed, please let me know in the comments below. And please make sure to like and subscribe if you like hauls or panning videos. And click that bell if you like some more notifications from me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.